Want any government. Want any government. You get in a trouble, come up prison, sit down, on the fifth video. No better. Them a fear. Oh, see bell. Prison. Fancy farm up. Prison. Road rock. Prison. And a prison yam. Taxpayers' money. How they not pay their money before they eat?
Something alright.
When they get big, me no want to know.
And how them fi say granny I use OnlyFans? How them so bright?
What are you talking about, OnlyFans? Who has OnlyFans? Not me. I always had air conditioners upstairs, downstairs. And I don't use the fans. Today you don't use it. It's gorgeous.
That lady is so right. The amount of Jamaicans were there in Florida, it couldn't be in the US, a most part of Jamaica. Listen to what she have to say.
He left America. He no go back America. He just there Florida.
Florida.
Okay.
But right now, the elder will come here. When Dale call me, and elder said, Dale, you don't go back up your things. And no, I'm still there with mom and daddy.
It makes sense.
Yes. And you look back at him with everything. But if we see, Ahmed.
Yeah.
But you see, all the house and stuff, everything thing of him.
Him.
But we see him with everything. I see it feel by mother. Yes.
I just say, Fanny left America.
Listen, Fanny, mom is Andy come. And
he left America. A Florida in there. He no go back America.
He thought he said now go back over my poor daddy in the hospital and he said did the help out mommy for them. His daughter have to go work, his sister have to go work.
Alright, so anyway again, Miss
Carol.
Alright, Miss Carol. So take care.
Yeah, man, and you too here.
Alright.
Good
meeting you, yeah?
Yes, and we go.
You know something, people? We can't blame the poor lifeguard, you know, cause tell the truth, would I want to make him drown too?
Boyfriend's drowning. Boyfriend? Yes.
In that?
In the sea. Can you help him?
It look like him drowned.
Help! I said
Stevie,
help.
that girl the belly too flat and too even.
Lifeguard, but me half beauty, but let me tell you something. You kind of look.
What?
God's plan, make him drown. Let me talk. Come, you know. Very near. You know.
Mary?
Oh, nice to meet you. Your number?
Yeah.
A few moments later.